What's going on, everybody? Are you trying to get text-to-speech using an API, whether you're writing a program or you're doing some sort of automation project? This is the video for you. So in this video, we're going to talk about how we can send text to an API and return an MP3 file of that text-to-speech. And we're going to be using this API here called Cloudlabs, or at least this is the service. We're going to access it through something called Rapid API, which if you like APIs and you like programming, Rapid API is going to be the way to go. Anyway, just because it simplifies it, you can set up your subscriptions and pay all in one spot. If you're doing a lot of development, Rapid API is the way to go. Anyway, so I'm going to show you here the way that I've got the program set up, and then we're going to run it, and I'm going to show you what the output is. So we're using the request library. You construct your URL, which is the, or you have a URL, which is your, endpoint, they might call it. You put your text into the payload, and the text in this case is subscribe to my channel and like the video. And then the next step is you actually subscribe. So make sure to subscribe to this channel. Then we go to payload, and to construct the payload, we're just inserting the text in there. We set our headers, and in this case, our headers is the content type. Our API key, which is in this other library. I hid my key so that you guys can, use all my 20 requests per day that you get for free. So I'm not really complaining. You set the host, and then there's a response here. You do response equals requests.request, and post, which is like whatever the method is for communication. You pass into it the URL endpoint, you pass into it the data payload and the headers. And then you turn that response into a JSON object, and then you parse out the particular parts of that JSON object. And then we print out a nice pretty URL. So let's run it. And now we have our URL, and we click it. And let's
subscribe to my channel and like the video.
Yeah, there you go. And now you have a MP3 file that you can download and use for whatever your purposes are. Maybe I'm not even going to speculate on why you might be using this, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.